Hey, Tech Fam! Today, we're diving into the world of Honor as they drop not one, but two exciting gadgets, the Honor 90 GT and the Honor Pad 9. But hold on, this video is all about the Honor Pad 9 tablet and its dedicated focus on ensuring the well-being of users, particularly kids, through a range of innovative software and hardware features. First up, let's talk about the display. Picture this, a 12.1-inch screen that's not just big but smart too. It's got this fancy PaperSense eye protection soft screen. A mouthful, right? But basically, it's like a spa day for your eyes. They've used some tech magic to eliminate 98% of reflected light, giving you that cozy paper-like feel. Plus, it's got more colors than a rainbow, 1.07 billion to be exact, making your visuals pop. But hold up, it offers more than just display. This tablet has your eyes covered literally. It's got the most impressive 5-fold authoritative eye protection certification. Natural light-like eye protection check. Sleep aiding display, double check. And they've thrown in some hardware-level low blue light protection because let's face it, our eyes need some love too. Now let's talk about your posture, because who knew a tablet could care about how you sit? The Honor Tablet 9 is like your virtual mom, reminding you to sit up straight. It's got 8 detection modes, from lying on the table to slanting shoulders and maintaining distance. It's like having a personal posture coach. Design-wise, they've nailed the symmetry game. The center camera design is like the cherry on top, and the colors, light white, cyan, and starry sky gray, take it to the next level. Under the hood, it's got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6th Gen 1 processor, the brains behind the beauty. And let's not forget the 8-speaker setup for that surround sound experience. Your movies and games just got a serious audio upgrade. Battery anxiety? Nah, not with the Honor Pad 9. An 8,300 mAh battery with 35-watt fast charging, because waiting is so last season. Now, the big question, how much is this beauty going to cost you? Well, it comes in 2 flavors, normal screen and soft version. The standard version starts at 1499 yuan, and if you want more storage, the 8GB plus 256GB variant is 1699 yuan. Go big or go home with the 12GB plus 256GB and 12GB plus 512GB versions at 1,999 yuan and 2,199 yuan, respectively. And for the soft version lovers, 8GB plus 256GB kicks off at 1,799 yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB variant is 2099 yuan. To sum it up, the Honor Pad 9 is like the Swiss Army knife of tablets. It's got the looks, the brains, and takes care of you like a concerned friend. Let us know in the comments your thoughts, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this tech talk. Peace.